Hello, my name's Tully. I'm a mechanical engineer by training and worked in the electronics industry for more than 10 years and was always really interested in electronics. And then finally when the Arduino came out in 2009, I basically took like a 1-year hiatus to learn how to make circuit boards and the program the Arduino, and then I worked at Seed Studio, and then I created my own product line, and today I'm going to teach people how to make a breadboard Arduino so they can learn the fundamentals of a basic Arduino, learn how simple it is, and hopefully learn how entertaining and fun it can be.